Hi everyone! I would like to share one of my recent paintings. It is 6 by 12 inches triptych. I was inspired by one of my painting I did 10 years ago. The new painting looks completely different from the original painting, but I was satisfied with the result. You can learn many watercolor skills through this painting process video. I hope you enjoy it. Before the demonstration, I would like to announce new videos from my Patreon. This month's theme is Japanese scenes. New happy patron video number 1 is Mount Fuji in spring. The layering process is a bit different from usual landscape painting of mine. In Japan, Mount Fuji symbolizes happiness and spring symbolizes renewal. The newest blog post is 6 by 12 inches triptych. This one is an autumn pond scenery. You can learn how to create variety of textures, forms, and brushworks. Now let's watch the summer waterfall triptych painting. Hi everyone, I was thinking of image like this one is good, waterfall. So here's the soap water and this is a masking fluid and I can use round number 6, small brush. I'm imagining how that looks. Maybe I can do the main waterfall right here and a few small ones here and here, maybe one here. I would dip this in that masking fluid and dry it because I want the dry brush. I'm imagining waterfall right here. So that's it for that masking fluid. Okay, it's dried. First, work from the light valued color, which is the yellow for the forest. I'll take yellow, have some yellow. Next one is adding green to the yellow, making yellow green and working on light area. The next is a little more green and get some green. Then get darker green and I focus the darker area on either side. And the darkest is adding purple to the green. Just getting some foreground warm rock type of suggestion. Then I can get some water, blues and greens, and the rocks are like cool grayish tone, so I'm wetting this area just using the cool color of that blue. Then I would go with more purple, bluish gray, and in this picture has a lot of blue, but I think You can have some variations. See, I can add some brown to it. I don't know, that's too red. Can get some orange in it, and maybe get some green to desaturate that reddish color. So there's some rocks, a warmer color. I can get more bluer for the shadow. Actually, those waterfall behind it is in shadow, so I'm gonna have like a cool color just to get some impression of shadow. As for the foreground rocks, I can do more bluish, grayish to make gray. Add blue and orange makes nice gray color. I can get cooler brown, darker and cooler gray. Add more Payne's gray and get some shadow. I'm gonna work on a tree area, which is going to be this brown is so red. I think magenta kind of mixed into that brown. So to kill that red, use green, and that makes the color more neutral. I'm going to have lime for the tree, just a big thick one and a skinny one. Lighter color, like adding orange, making it more of brown and kind of sunlit area. So have color washes off. Those greens and gray separated right now, I can bring in some of that green in between the rocks. And then in order to show the color, you have to aim for somewhere that has less gray, so the color shows. Then using small brush, nice and pointy, and if I can control the tip of it, I can make skinny lines. So take the dark color, which the mixture Payne's gray, purple, brown, green, all this color, any type of dark color, and then dry this a little bit, because I don't know how wet that surface is, but I can find rocks, like I see rock here and right here. So I'm just making shape out of subtle value changes, and then in between rocks I'm creating some shadow area to make that rock more rounded creating those in between shape like a triangle, more like a rounder rock shape than geometric. Geometric is not very natural. Okay, the rocks are done. Closer to water, I kind of made less distinct but suggestive rock like underneath of water, just making some shape and shadows under the water. This waterfall might need some shadow, so I'll just get a little bit of bluish and grayish, purplish. This enhances by following with shadow. I'm gonna sign already with bluish rock color. Dry this and then peel the masking fluid. It's quite dry, so masking fluid, you can peel it with rubber cement pickup. Since that rock, like a perspective, looks like the water is here, so it doesn't make sense to stop here. So I can extend it with a gel pen just to get that white touches to the water. I'm gonna go like a cool water, bluer, purpler, greener, just mixing some, pick some color and wipe it with a dry brush. Maybe making line. Okay, now I just want to get a little bit of passionate splash. So titanium white and loosen up the white. Let's see. This is the finished work. Up above is simple painting from yellow to dark green and getting tree trunks lighter and warmer towards the light. That's very basic. And for the rock is created by 3 different grays I used, which is warm, cool, and dark, like a purple, brown, and blue. That subtle color change, it creates that beautiful color harmony. Waterfall is easy to create using masking fluid. Adding splatter at the end created the most excitement for that emphasis, focal point for this painting. Thank you for watching. I hope you try it. Have fun painting.